This is another watch I really wanted, but they did not sell it in my country. It is the Casio TRT-110H. I bought this from Amazon, and the packaging is actually better than what I usually get from my local dealer. Inside we get the user guide, safety papers, and the watch on a plastic stand. The main features mentioned here are the 10-year battery, mud resistance, vibration alert, and 100-meter water resistance. The stand is basic but nice, usable anyway. And here is the watch. This variant is the 8AV. It has a grey color case and strap, a positive display, and nice blue accents. Looking good. The strap style is very similar to the W735 and W736, also vibration alert models. And here is the close-up look. There is a simple calendar at the top, a feature indicator on the top right, and the time on the main display. The modes are time, countdown timer, stopwatch, alarm, and dual time. The buttons feel a bit different, a bit tougher to press. This is probably due to the mud-resistant design and smaller button surface. The front face gives a classic old-school digital watch feel with a G-Shock-like style. To activate the vibration mode, just press and hold the start button. And here is the backlight, a bright white super illuminator. And here is how it looks on my average wrist. Looking nice. I will make a more detailed review and tutorial soon, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.